Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook thin crust pizza. Lasts within 15 minutes. So let's go and check out the ingredients. One packet of thin crust pizza, 1 bottle tomato puree, cherry tomatoes, cheese pizza topping, butter, 3 capsicums, 1 big red onion, 185 gram lamb, 1 packet of chicken cheese sausage, 185 gram beef. First we heat up a pan and put little bit of butter and we cook the lamb. Before that, I marinate the lamb and beef with the pepper and salt for 5 minutes. We cook the lamb until soft in low flame. After that, we repeat the same with the beef and the sausage too. Once it's done, we keep it aside. Secondly, we heat up the thin crust pizza just to make it warm. After that, we spread the tomato puree, we put the onion slice, cherry tomato cut into half, follow with cheese sausage, and little bit of lamb and little bit of the beef. And then we put 3 slices of capsicum on top. We sprinkle some of shredded cheese. If the cheese is not enough, we can always add cheddar block cheese and spread them on top of the pizza. Lastly, we put on the tefal and we close it. We cook in medium flame for 3 minutes. We also can add some pineapple on it. Well, I'm done. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe and try it at home. And don't forget to click like, subscribe and share my video to all your friends in social media and your family members. See you in next video. Stay healthy and stay at home.